This is Mathematics First Quarter, Module 5, Performing Operations on Rational Numbers. So we'll be answering this one, and we will highlight on the difficult part. Okay, here is it. Now let's proceed to the next page. Okay, here is it. The first, what I know. Now, what is the sum of 4, 9, and 3 over 9? So 4, 9, and 3 over 9 are similar fractions. So we could add directly its numerator 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7 over, copy the common denominator 9. So the answer is 7 over 9. Okay, next, what is the difference of 3, 6 and 2, 6? So they have the same denominator. These two fractions are similar fractions. We could have 3 minus 2, that's 1 over 6, copy the common denominator, which is 6, that's 1, 6. Okay, 3, 8 plus 2, 6. So 3, 8 plus 2, 6, what is the answer? They have different denominators, so what we are going to do is to find its least common denominator of 3, 8 and 2, 6. So its common denominator, we could solve like applying the butterfly approach. 3, 8 plus 2, 6. We could multiply this one. 3 times 6, that's 18. Then here, 8 times 2, that's 16. You can add the 2. And 8 times 6, that's 48. So we could have 18 plus 16, that's 34. 34 over 48, then divided by 2, you reduce this one to lowest term. We could divide 34 and 48 by 2, that's 17 over 24. 17 over 24, it's letter D. Okay, next is number 4. 4 over 6 minus 3 over 7. So we could have the butterfly approach still, the shortcut. You could have 4 times 7, that's 28. And 4 times 3, that's 18, minus 18. Then 6 times 7, that's 42. So you have 28 minus 18, that's 10. So 10 over 42. So divided by 2, this 10 and 42 could be divided by 2, that's 5 over 21. 5 over 21 is letter C. Now let's have number 5. Find the difference of, there are 3, 1 6, 1 third, 1 half plus 1 half, minus 1 quantity, 1 8 plus 1 fourth plus 1 half. So we will find out the least common denominator of 6, 3, and 2. So we have 6. So we have here 6, 3, 2. So counting by 6, that's 6. Counting by 3, that's 3, 6. Counting by 2, that's 2, 4, 6. So the least common denominator is 6. And for 8, 4, and 2, 8, 4, and 2, counting by 8, that's 8. Counting by 4, that's 4, 8. Counting by 2, that's 2, 4, 8. So the first common number is 8. So therefore, the least common denominator of this is 6. 6, and the least common denominator here is 8. So we could have put 6 here, we could have put 8 here. So okay, we have 6 here. So we have 6 divided by 6, that's 1 times 1, it's 1. 6 divided by 3, it's 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2, so plus 2. Then we have plus here. Then we have 6 divided by 2, that's 3 times 1, that's 3. Okay. Now here, 8. Put 8 here. 8, okay, it's minus. So we put 8 here. 8 divided by 8, that's 1 times 1 is 1. Copy plus. 8 divided by 4, that's 2 times 1, 2. Copy plus. It's 8 divided by 2, it's 4 times 2, times 1 is 4. So we will add 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6 over 6 minus 1 plus 2 plus 4, that's 7 over 8. Okay, so this 6 over 6 or 1, so that is actually, we could write this into another fraction using this denominator 8. That becomes 8 over 8. This is still 1 minus 7 over 8. The answer is 1 over 8. Okay, our answer is 1 over 8. Here, 1 over letter C. Okay, next. Number 6. 4/5 plus 3/4 minus 6. 3 over 6. The least common denominator of 5 and 4. We have 5. Okay, 4/5. We could use the butterfly approach for this. 4/5 plus 3/4. Okay, you have here, you multiply 4 times 4, that's 16. 5 times 3, that's 15. Then 5 times 4, 20. Okay, put plus here. 16 plus 15, that's 31 over 20. 31 over 20 minus 6 minus 3/6. So 3/6. So we could have this 3/6 or 1/2 or 1/2. This 3/6, this could be divided by 3 divided by 3. This is equal to 1/2. So 3/6 or 1/2. So we can multiply one into, we could have here, instead of writing 3/6, we will subtract this by 1/2. So butterfly approach. Okay. Or we could have the least common denominator of 20 and 2. Least common of 20 and 2 is counting by 20, that's, okay, that's 20. Counting by 2s, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So the least common denominator is 20. So we could multiply this one into 20. Okay, so 20 here. So 20 divided by 20, that's 1 times 31, that's 31. Minus 20 divided by 2, that's 10 times 1, that's 10. So the answer is 31 minus 10, that's 21 over 10, or 21 over 10, or divided by 10, that's 21 divided by 10, that's 2 and 1 over 10. Okay, 2 and 1 over 10. Is there only 2 and 1 over 10? So the answer is 2 and 1 over 10. This is the answer. There's no answer on the choices. Okay? 16 minus 15 plus 16. Let's review. 16 plus 15, that's 31. 5 times 4, that's 20. That's 1/2. Could have 20. 20 divided by 20, that's 1. Times 31, that's 31. 20 divided by 2, 10. Times 1, that's 10. Minus 10, that's 21 over 10, or 2 and 1/2. Just 2 and 1 over 10. There's no answer. So what is the product of 3/5 and 5 over 9? So when you multiply fraction, multiply the numerator and multiply directly the denominator. So this would be 3 times 5, that's 15, over 5 times 9, that's 45. Divided by 15, divided by 15. This 2 is divisible by 15. This is 1 over 3. Okay, 1/3. Now number 8. What is the quotient of 3 halves and 2/3? When we say quotient, divide. So 3 halves divided by 2/3. The rule is find the reciprocal of the divisor and proceed to multiplication. This would be 3 halves times reciprocal, you interchange 3 over 2 times 3 over 2, that's 9 over 4. Where's 9 over 4? 9 over 4 or 2 and 1/4, because 9 divided by 4, that's 2, 8, 1, that's 2 whole number and 1/4. 2 and 1/4. Where is 2 and 1/4? Here's letter B. Okay, number 9, find the average. Find the average of negative 3/4 and 4/5. So when we say average, you will add these two and divide it by 2. Add the 2 fraction, and how many fractions? There are 2. So you have negative 4 and negative 3/4 plus 4/5. So you could have butterfly approach. So this is negative 3 times 5, that's negative 15. Then have 4 times 4, that's 16. Plus 1. 4 times 5, that's 20. So if we associate this one into deposit withdrawal, a withdrawal of 15 and a deposit of 16 yields 16 deposit and withdrawal 15 only yields, you have still 1 left, 1 peso left in your piggy bank. That's over 20. Now what is the average? So we are asking of average. We will divide this one by 2, and 2, when we change this one into fraction, that's 2 over 1. So therefore that's 1 over 20 times 1/2, and it's 1 over 40. The answer is 1 over 40. Yes, letter D answer. And so what is the sum? When we say number 10, what is the sum of 245 and 86 hundredths? This is how to read. And 67 and 237 thousandths. First, the technique for this is you align the decimal. Align the decimal. The first one you write here. Okay, here is it. 245 and 86. We have aligned the decimal here. That's 67, 237 thousandths. Sum, add. So 0 here, bring down 7. 6 plus 3 is 9. 8 plus 2 is 10. Bring down 0, carry 1. That's align the decimal. That's 13, 1, 10, 11, 1. The answer is 313. Okay, where's the answer? 0.097 is letter A. Okay, what is the difference? When we say difference, okay, number 11. What is the difference of 349 and 35 hundredths and 89 and 18 hundredths? So we have here 349 and 35 hundredths minus 89 and 18 hundredths. Okay, 5 minus 8 cannot be. Borrow 1 from 3. 3 becomes 2. And this is 15. 7. 2 minus 1. That's 1. Align the decimal. The secret is align decimal and the place value. 9 minus 9. 0. 4 minus 8 cannot be. Borrow 2. 3. 3 becomes 2. And this is 14. And this is 60 and 17 hundredths. 60 and 17 hundredths. 60 and 17 hundredths. So there's no answer. 60 and 17 hundredths. Maybe this is okay. There's no answer for number 11. Number 12. What is the product of 3.24 and 0.65? So when you multiply decimal times 0.65, you multiply as what you had learned from your elementary. 5 times 4, that's 20. 2, 5 times 2, that's 10. Plus 2, 12. Carry 1. 5 times 3, 15. 16. Plus 1, 16. 6 times 4, 24. 2. Then 6 times 2, 12. Plus 2, 14. 1. 3 times 6 times 3, that's 18. Plus 1, 19. Okay. Disregard 0. Okay, bring down 0, 6, 10, 1. That's 11. 1, 2. Count the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2 and 106 thousandths. Positive. Okay, letter A. Next, what is a quotient? Okay. Number 13, what is the quotient of 12 and 200ths and 2 thousandths? So, this is 12 and 2 hundredths divided by 0.002 thousandths. So, to answer this, it should be the divisor is whole number. So, you move the decimal 1, 2, 3. Okay, you move also here 1, 2, add 0, 3. So, the new number now is, okay, 12,020 divided by 2. This is 6. 12 divided by 2, that's 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Then we have here 0. 0 divided by 2, that's 0. 6 times 2 is 0. It's 2. 2 divided by 2, that's 1. 1 times 2, it's 2. 0, bring down 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Is 0. So, therefore, the answer is 610. 6,010. There only 6,010 for this. 6,010. Okay, here is it. 6,010. Okay. Next, multiplication. 10 divided by 5. Okay. We multiply first before divide. So, 840 times 0.625. Okay, 5 times 0, that's 0. 5 times 4, 20. 0 carry 2. 5 times 8, 40. Plus 2 is 42. 2 times 0, that's 0. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 8, 16. So we have here 6 times 0, 0. 6 times 4, 24. Bring down 4, carry 2. 6 times 8, 48. Plus 2, 50. So we have here 0, 0, that's 10, 1, 1, 5, 10, 15, 1, 2, that's 5. So count the decimal, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that's 525. Is there any 525? Oh, wait, divided by 5. So 525 divided by 5. So divided by 5. So divided by 5. That's 5 divided by 5, that's 1. 1 times 5, that's 5. Okay, bring down 2. 2 cannot be, so 0. Yeah, 0 times 5 is 0. That's 5. That's 2. 5 divided by 5, that's 5. It's 25 minus 0. So 125 is the answer. Is there any 105? Yes, there is. So 8.5 divided by 2 times 6. 8.5 divided by 2 times 6. 8.5 divided by 2. That's okay, that's 4. That's 4, 2, that's okay, bring down 5. Align the decimal. 5 divided by 2, that's 2. 2 times 2, that's 4. 5 minus 4, that's 1. Add 0. 10 divided by 2, that's 5. 5 times 2, that's 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay, 4.25. 4.25 times 6. You have here times 6. So 6 times 5, 30. 0 carry 3. 6 times 2, 12. Plus 3, 15. Bring down 5, carry 1. 6 times 4, that's 24. Plus 1, that's 25. Count the decimal. 1, 2, 1, 2. It's 25.5. Is there any 25.5? Yes, there is. Okay. Now here, identifying rational numbers. So which of the following are rational numbers? So rational numbers are those numbers that can be changed into fraction. Those are fractional numbers. So this is rational, 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 and this is rational. This is irrational. This is irrational because there's no exact value for this, and this cannot be changed into fraction. Simplify the fractions here. So simplify the fractions. Okay, we have here 2, 6. So this could be divided by 2. Divisible by 2, that's 1/3. 10 over 20, it's divided by 10. Divided by 10. Equal to 1 over 2. 8 over 10 divided by 2. Divided by 2. 8 divided by 2, that's 4. 18 divided by 2, that's 9. 60 over 3, that's equals to 2. 15 over 50, this could be divisible by 5. That is 15 divided by 5, that's 3. 15 divided by 5, that's 10. 3 over 10. Okay, next. Here is it. Oh, here are the readings on how you are to operate fractions. Operations of fractions. Okay, let's proceed to the next. Okay, these are all readings. Let's have what's more. Perform the indicated operation. So perform the indicated operations. So they are similar fraction. That's 8 over 11. They are dissimilar. You could use the butterfly. Have 7 over 8 minus 4 over 16. So we could divide this one by 4. We could divide this one by 4. Which is actually equals 7 over 8 minus 1 over 4. So butterfly, you could have 4 times 7, that's 28. And 8 times 1, that's 8. This is minus. This is 8 times 4, 32. 28 minus 8, that's 20 over 32. Divided by 4. Reduce solution divided by 4. That is 24 divided by 4, that's 5 over 8. 5 over 8. So this is 5 over 8. Okay, multiplication. 5 times 6, 30. 12 times 5, 60. So 30 divided by 60, cancel. We could have divided by 30. Divided by 30, that's 1/2. Okay, here 4 over 15 divided by 6 over 12. So this is the divisor. You are to find its reciprocal and proceed to multiplication. Okay, this is how we will do it. Okay, this is how we will do it on division. 4 over 12, 4 over 15 divided by 5 over 6 over 12. So 6 over 12, this is 1/2. Reduce first this into lowest term, divided by 6 divided by 6. That is equal to 4 over 15 divided by 6 divided by 6, that's 1 over 2. So the rule is, this is the divisor, find its reciprocal and proceed to multiplication. This is 415 times 2 over 1, that's 8 over 15. 8 over 15. So this is 8 over 15. Okay, next. Here it is. Okay, 4 6 plus 1/3 times 2 4 plus 5 over 8. So we could find its reciprocal, or we could have the butterfly approach. 4 6 plus 1/3. Let's try the LCD. So the LCD of 6 and 3, that is counting by 6, counting by 3, that's 3 and 6. So the LCD is 6. We could have 6. The here 6. So 6 divided by 6, that's 1 times 4, that's 4, plus 6 divided by 3, that's 2 times 1, that's 2. Okay. Now times 4 and 8, counting by 4, that's 4, 8, counting by 8, that's 8. So the least common denominator is 8, the least common multiple is 8. So we could have here 8. So okay, times 2/4 plus 5 over 8. Okay, so you have 8 here. 8 divided by 4, that's 2 times 2, it's 4. 8 divided by 8, that's 1 times 5, it's 5. Okay, so we have here 4 times 2, 4 plus 2 is 6 over 6 times 4 times 5, 4 plus 5, that's 9 over 8. So this is 1 times 9 over 8 equals 9 over 8, or 1 and 1/8. 9 over 8, 1 and 1/8. Okay.